Hi, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. I'm Greg. Today we're going to build a light box out of a cardboard box. Stick around. So I wanted something to take pictures of items I'm selling on eBay. So I started with a cardboard box. I use a little diaper box. All I need is a hole in the top. For my box, I just used some legal size paper and I taped the paper into all the sides of the box. Don't forget to get the back side of the box as well. This is literally the hardest part of the project, is cutting a hole on the side of the box through the paper. And I just picked up a light that I got from Goodwill for $5, but you can use any light. So here's some examples of the pictures I was able to take. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thank you. See you next time.